Hello students. Now today in our series of question paper solving by CBSE board, the sample question paper, we are going to solve section 2 of part A of 12th computer science. Already in the first video we have seen the question number 1 to 21. We have solved those questions. Now 22 question we will start today. So in this section 2 of part A we are having two case study. Now these case studies are having 5 questions of 1 marks each, out of which we have to solve only 4 questions. So we will start with the first question. A departmental store, My Store, is considering to maintain their inventory using SQL to store the data. As a database administrator, Abhay has decided that name of the database is My Store, name of the table is Store. The attributes of stores are as follows. Item number is numeric, item name is character of size 20, S code is numeric, quantity is numeric. Now we will see what else is there. So here the table they have given, table store is given. Now the questions you can see here at the bottom. Now these questions you have to solve. So first question is, identify the attribute best suitable to be declared as primary key. Primary key we have already studied that it is having always unique and not null values, and it is used to search any tuple in a relation, to identify the tuples in a relation. So here unique and not null is item number. You can see with item number normally the roll number, item number, flight number, that is the number first. Normally the first column we are taking as and it should contain unique and not null values. So the answer will be item number, the first one. You can see in the right hand side the answers are given. So these are our answers and of part A section 2. So these are our answers given by CBSE, and these are the questions. Left hand side are the questions. Next is write the cardinality and degree of the table store. We know that rows, total number of rows or records except the field name. The first record, first row is the field name, that we will not count. From 2005, 2005, 2003 we will start counting. So how many rows are there? Total 7 rows are there, 7 items are there. So 7 will be our cardinality, and degree will be the columns or attributes, total number of attributes. So already the definition will be asked, or the number of cardinality or degree will be asked. So this is important question, degree and cardinality. Here you can see 4 columns are there. So attributes are 4 and degree is 4. Degree is the total number of attributes in a relation, and cardinality is the total number of tuples in a relation. Tuples or records in a relation. Next is we have to insert the given value. The value is being given to us. So we will start inserting here. Now in this the values are given. So the command will be insert into store, in bracket all the column names. Then we will write values S, and then in bracket all the values. So here you can see the answer. Insert into the table name is store, in bracket all the column names. Here at the top you can see all the 4 columns are given, that is these column names with comma, item number, comma, item name, comma, S code, comma, quantity we will write, and then we will write here the values. So here the values which are given in the question paper. Now you can see here only the 3 values are being given. Let us see here, only item number, item name and S code is given. So we will also enter the 3 columns. We will not write the quantity. So here in this store, in bracket we will write only item number, item name and S code, that is in which you have to put the values. Then we will write here values and the values which are given in the question paper. If it is a numeric value, you will not use quotes. If it is a string textual data, then you will write here either single quotes or double quotes. Now next question is, Abhay want to remove the table store from the database. So this we already know, drop table is used to remove a table. So it is very easy. Option is also given here. So drop table store will be used. You can see the answer from CBSE answer here. Drop table store. Next is, now Abhay wants to display the structure of the table store. Now we have already used describe command. So describe is used to show the structure of any table. So describe store we will write here. So the answer will be describe store. So this is the first case study. You can see here MySQL case study is asked in part A. You can see here part A section 2. This is part A section 2. Now the next question is a USV program is given in which some fill in the blanks are given. Already you have solved the USV question. So let us do the second case study here. Since it is copied in Word, that's why the formatting is little bit, the lines are coming here. We can remove also these lines if you want. So afterwards we will remove it. So Ranjan Kumar of class 12 is writing a program to create a CSV file user.csv, which will contain username and password for some entries. He has written the following code. As a programmer, help him to successfully execute the given task. Now already you have done CSV files in which first line is always import CSV in small letter. Then the function they have written here. Now this function is to write or add data. Now when we are adding data, we are using append A. So here you will write A. So you will open the file. This will be given to you. User.csv is given in the question here. So this is given only in the fill in the blank. So they have asked here to add data. So you will write here A in the second fill in the blanks. Now the third fill in the blanks will be, so writer function is over. Now for reading the file, we all know that csv.reader is a module to read the file. So here the mode is R mode. You can see here read mode. We have opened the file. Now csv.reader. So here in line 3 you will write here reader. You can see the answers here. CSV, then append mode, for append mode A is written, then reader is written. Then next will be, when your task is over, what we are doing, we are closing our files. So here you are closing this file. So here you can see in this we will write here close command. Clear? Now next question is here for output of this program. Now you can see here the questions are given here at the bottom. Name the module he should import in line 1. So line 1 he has to import CSV. Only whatever is asked, only that much you have to write. So how to write it in line 1? Then you write CSV. In which mode Ranjan should open the file to add data into the file. For adding data we have already used A, that is for append. Append is used to add the data or the records at the end. Fill in the blanks in line 3 to read the data from a CSV file. So from a CSV file we are using here reader. Next is fill in the blanks in line 4 to close the file. This is very easy, only close, but close module is having a empty parenthesis. So you have to write the empty parenthesis. The last one is write the output he will obtain while executing line 5. Now you can see the line 5 is read CSV file. That is, it is calling the function. Now before calling the function, we are adding 3 lines here. First is our, I want to remove this. Let me remove this. Yes. Now you can see here the first line is, it is adding Arjun 123@456. Then it is adding Arunima. Then it is adding the Freda data. Now here comma will not be there when it is adding in the table. So when it will print the records will be displayed without comma. So here you can see here the output. So line 5 will be Arjun, 1 space, and then 123@456. Next, the next data will be Arunima space Aru @Nima. then Freida, my name, and that. So one space is there between their names and between their mail ID, whatever it is. So comma will be not. So this is the last one, that is the output of the given program. Now next one is, so let's do the next one. So this is over section 2 part B. Now if you have any doubt, you ask your doubts in the comment section. So 2 case studies and 5 questions of 1 mark, but you have to solve only 4 questions of each. That is, from this first one also, from here this 5 questions are there, A to E of MySQL, only 4 you have to attempt, and here also you have to attempt any 4. Clear? So this is your part A, section 2. Now in the next video we will do part B, section 3, that is the descriptive part, questions of 2 marks. So till here you were having 1 marks questions where you have to just go through the case study, and as per the case study you have to write the answer. So I think you have understood here section 2 part A. Thank you. Have a nice day.